Hello and welcome back to English Unleashed. I'm Tom, and today we're going to practice one of the most useful skills in English, ordering food at a restaurant. Think about it. Almost everyone goes to a restaurant, a cafe, or even a fast food place. If you travel abroad or meet friends who speak English, you will probably need to order something to eat or drink. That's why today's lesson is so practical. By the end of this episode, you will be able to greet the waiter or waitress, ask for a menu, order food and drinks clearly, handle simple questions like how would you like that cooked? Ask for the bill politely. We'll practice simple sentences, short conversations, and also do some shadowing practice so you can speak naturally and confidently. Step 1. Entering the restaurant. When you walk into a restaurant, the host or server might say, "Good evening. How many people? Do you have a reservation?" You can answer, "2 people, please." "No reservation, but a table for 3, please." Practice repeating these sentences. "A table for 1, please." "A table for 4, please." "Yes, I have a reservation under the name." Say your name. Step 2. Asking for the menu. Once you sit down, you can ask politely, "Could I see the menu, please?" "Do you have a drinks menu?" The server might hand you a menu or show you a QR code. Step 3. Ordering food and drinks. This is the most important part. Here are some simple sentences. "I'd like the chicken sandwich, please." "Can I have the grilled fish with vegetables?" "I'll take a cheeseburger and fries." "For me, the pasta, please." For drinks, "I'd like a glass of water." "Can I have a coffee?" "I'll take an orange juice." Notice the phrases. "I'd like," "Can I have," "I'll take." These are polite and natural. Step 4. Handling questions from the server. Sometimes the server will ask you extra questions. For example, "How would you like your steak?" You can say, "Rare, medium, or well done." "Would you like fries or a salad with that?" You can answer, "Fries, please," or "A salad, please. Would you like anything to drink?" You can say, "Yes, a glass of water," or "No, thank you." Step 5. Asking politely. Here are some polite phrases you should practice. "Excuse me, could we have some water?" "Could you bring us some extra napkins?" "May I have another spoon, please?" "Could you recommend something from the menu?" These small sentences make you sound polite and respectful. Step 6. Asking for the bill. When you finish eating, you can say, "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?" "Check, please." This is common in the United States. "Can I pay by card?" "Do you accept cash?" Simple and clear. Step 7. Full restaurant conversation, shadowing practice. Let's practice a short dialogue. Listen first, then repeat after me. Server, "Good evening. How many people?" You, "2 people, please." Server, "Here's your table. Here's the menu." You, "Thank you. Could I see the drinks menu as well?" Server, "Of course. Would you like something to drink?" You, "Yes, I'll have a glass of orange juice, please." Server, "And for you?" You, "I'd like a coffee." Server, "What would you like to order?" You, "I'll take the grilled chicken with rice." Friend, "For me, the pasta, please." Server, "Perfect. I'll be right back later." Server, "Here's your food. Enjoy." You, "Thank you very much." After finishing, you, "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?" Server, "Certainly." One moment. Step 8. Review. Okay, let's review what we learned today. We practiced how to ask for a table, how to ask for the menu, how to order food and drinks politely, how to answer questions from the server, how to ask for the bill. If you practice these phrases again and again, you will feel confident the next time you go to a restaurant or cafe. Final thoughts. My challenge for you today is practice this dialogue 3 times. First, listen. Second, repeat after me. Third, try it on your own without reading. The more you practice, the more natural your English will sound. This is English Unleashed, and I'm Tom. See you next time, and happy eating.